Indian aerobatic team.
Because now you will see them shifting behind onto the wings of Deputy Leader, Group Captain Sandesh Kate. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಪಡಿಸಿದ ತೇಜಸ್ ವಿಶ್ವದ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಶಕ್ತಿಶಾಲಿ ಫೈಟರ್ ಏರ್ಕ್ರಾಫ್ಟ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದಾಗಿದೆ. And from your left, here's presenting the Tejas formation. Flying on the right side in all formations is number 2, Squadron Leader Lalit Varma. Flying at number... Now from your right, you will see the aircraft forming the shape of the Vikram lander, which successfully landed on the south pole of the moon, making India the first country in the world to achieve this remarkable milestone. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಲಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡಿ. Coming in from your right is the Chandrayaan formation. It's now time to look towards your left as the aircraft are now positioning for a new formation. This time they are in the shape of the MiG-29 fighter aircraft, which is the guardian of our skies and is the frontline fighter of the Indian Air Force. Please look towards your left. Here comes the team in the Falcon formation. Carefully at these aircraft, they are now positioning from straight in front of you. Once again, you will see these aircraft will move behind slowly and change their formation once again. This time, they are shifting behind onto the wings of number 7. And with that, they have formed the shape of the English letter Y. ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಯುವಕರಿಗೆ ಸಮರ್ಪಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ನೋಡಿ. Look to your left. Here comes the team in the Yuva formation.